when rape is punishable, lie down and enjoy it. But that's exactly the position in.
गाइस, आपने ये वीडियो देखा है? इस पे क्या स्टेटमेंट दिया गया है? यही ना कि when rape is inevitable, lie down and enjoy it. Really? अब ऐसा हो गया है, मतलब ऐसा दुनिया हो गया, like we need to really enjoy the rape as women. And this statement is said by former MLA of Karnataka Assembly, Ramesh Kumar. Not just MLA, he is senior Congress leader, as well as, shocking to hear this, but he is ex-speaker. Can you imagine he was speaker, guys? और पता है आप इस पर क्वेश्चन भी नहीं कर सकते हो. क्यों? क्योंकि जो करंट स्पीकर है, ही इज़ लाफिंग एट द स्टेटमेंट. ही इज़ थिंकिंग दैट ये कोई फ़नी जोक है क्या कोई फ़नी जोक? क्योंकि मुझे तो हंसी नहीं आया, एंड आई एम श्योर आपको भी नहीं आया होगा. तो ऐसा क्या हो गया वो असेंबली में जो इस स्टेटमेंट पे, इस वल्गर स्टेटमेंट पे लोग हंस रहे हैं. People are laughing. No one stood up and said, "No, stop. This is wrong. Please take your words back." Half of the crowd, yeah, I call them as a crowd. Half of the crowd were silent. Why? Remember, silence is sometimes violence. Today, I am here to speak, not as a content creator, not as an aspirant, but as a woman. And I have right to speak about that. Because when you had the right of speech, freedom of speech which you call it, you were speaking vulgarity from your mouth. हाँ, उन्होंने माफ़ी मांगी है. He apologized in front of everyone. I mean in written words. But why? Why he had done so? Do you have any idea? उन्हें बुरा लगा है, उन्हें गिल्ट हुआ है, और he really meant it? No. He just afraid of losing his political power. आप सोचो कि वो इंसान जो politically powered है, जिनको हमने, obviously आम जनता ने उनको चूज करके MLA बनाया है, and he's saying all this rubbish thing. तो आम जनता का क्या होगा फिर? How casually a woman's pain is treated in this country. मैं क्यों गुस्सा हूँ, या जो भी वुमेन है, गर्ल्स हैं जो ये सुन रही है, वो क्यों गुस्सा है? इसलिए गुस्सा नहीं है कि उन्होंने ऐसा बोला, बट वो इसलिए गुस्सा है कि उन्होंने कहाँ पर ऐसा बोला है. ये कोई प्राइवेट पार्टी नहीं चल रही थी उनकी. He said it in the assembly, जहाँ पे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन फॉर्म होता है, लॉ फॉर्म होता है, वहाँ पे ऐसे वल्गर स्टेटमेंट. एंड पीपल आम लोग नहीं, they were all MLAs, all were powered politically. They were laughing. You know what rape is, Mr. Ramesh Kumar? You know what rape looks like? आपको नहीं पता होगा, because you are a man. And you know what? We women are not the victims of rape. We are the survivors. Victims आप लोग होते हो जिनका mindset ऐसा है. Rape is fear that every woman lives every single day. पता है कैसे? When we go into a bus, okay? किसी ने inappropriate touch किया, we don't say anything. We just casually remove ourselves. पता है क्यों? That's not because we are afraid, because we don't want to create a scene. Every second girl, I know this because I am also a girl. Every second girl in this country has been or is being touched inappropriately by her relative, uncle, whatever, or by her friends or by her known ones. But she refused to say this in front of everyone. You know why? Because people like your mindset are sitting there to judge us. But I just want to say this to every woman. No one can judge you. No one can judge you. No one have the right to judge you. Me as a woman, I am strong. I feel the pain. I am emotional and I'm very proud of it. And you should be also very proud of it as a woman. This is not about politics. This is not about parties. This is not about any state or anything. This is about humanity. इतना तो बेसिक एथिक्स है जो हमें कोई नहीं सिखाता फिर भी हम सीखते हैं. Why don't you guys with politically sitting there speaking such statements? I don't understand. It, when I heard this, it broke my heart. When a girl is raped, okay, she choose silence. Silence of what? Silence from system, okay? Silence from the questions of her own family. And when the system speaks like this, something breaks us from inside deep down. So guys, please, when you speak such thing, be prepared whatever is going to come after it to you. And I am definitely sure that the person who has spoken about this, he is not at all feeling guilty about it. Me and we as a woman, we will speak, we will raise question, we will never ever remain silent. That's all for today. I'm sorry and thank you.